Thibitari wa St Peter Orthopedic and Surgical kaunti-ini ya Kiambu, afya bora mwena wa Mwea kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga, thibitari wa afya bora Annex kaunti-ini oro ino ya Kirinyaga, thibitari wa Joy Nursing and Maternity guku Nairobi ni imwe gatagati-ini ga thibitari inyanya iria ciathitwo kurugamia mihango ya uheani wa motungata ma urigitani na arwaru othe aria mari thibitari-ini icio makorwo magithamirio thibitari-ini ingi ihinda-ini ria mathaa 24.
You're not even answering greetings.
Mihango ya thibitari ici irugamitio ni ministry ya ugima wa mwiri thutha wa ndeto kumbuka ati urugamiriri wacio ni ukoretwo ukihuthira kandi cia NHIF na njira iria itagiriire, gukirikana arwaru aria mari na kandi ici mekinyia kuo makoretwo makiriha marihi ma iguru gukira uria kwagiriire.
The facility owners are accused of having even ferried oblivious patients to hospitals across the two said counties, then proceeded to carry out unnecessary procedures on the patients.
Kuringana na minista wa ugima wa mwiri Susan Nakhumicha, bodi ya NHIF ihetwo mathaa 48 ikorwo ikiheana riboti nginyaniru igi uthuthuria wa thibitari icio.
We are embarking on a verification exercise of all payments across the country to flag out any inconsistencies that may point to abuse of resources and theft.
Hamwe noguo ministry ya ugima wa mwiri ni rugamitie wira arugamiriri anene ruhonge-ini rwa NHIF icigo-ini iria ihutitio ni thina uyu ikinya riri rigitacukio niguo gukinyaniria uthuthuria uria wambikitwo.
Anyone or organization that wishes to run a medical camp must get a license from the Kenya Medical Practitioner and Dentist Council, and also emphasize that chiefs do not license medical camps.
Nakhumicha eranire uthuthuria warikirira arwaru aria kigina kiao kihuthikite na njira itagiriire ni megukorwo magicokerio, agikinyiriria ati ministry ni hariirie kungethanira na aria marathie mugaru na watho kuona ni megutacokerio makinya maria magiriire.
As we embark on delivering services to citizens, there will be casualties, but it will be for the sake of a better healthcare system and a healthier nation.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.